Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your pulmonologist clinic business. Suppose as the owner of pulmonology clinic, I use WhatsApp chatbot to book appointments, send test preparation reminders. We can automate this process with the help of Pabbly Chatflow WhatsApp chatbot. When users send a message, the chatbot automatically replies. Now, if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, let me take you to the screen.
In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your pulmonologist clinic business. First of all, let me show you the chatbot that we will create with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So this is our chatbot and we will also see how it responds. Simply, we will open our WhatsApp dashboard and type, I want to book appointment. After typing, you will see I'm getting a response. Hello, welcome to Pulmonary and Chest Care Center. I am your virtual assistant. How can I help you today? Now we have two options, book appointment, test instruction. Now simply click on book appointment. After clicking, you will see I am getting a response. Let's schedule your visit. Please provide your full name. Now I am typing my name. Test user. After typing my name, I am getting another response. Age. Now I am typing age. After typing age, I am getting another response. Please mention disease. Now typing chest pain. After typing chest pain, I am getting another response. Please provide preferred date and time. Now I am enter date and time 25 May and time 10 AM. After typing date and time, I am getting another message. Patient details, name test user, age 30, disease chest pain, date and time. Now we have a confirm button. Simply click on it. After clicking confirm button, we are getting our last message. Thank you for reaching out to Pulmonary and Chest Care Center. We are here if you need anything else. Take care. Now we have a test instruction button. Simply click on it. After clicking, we are getting response. Great. Which test are you preparing for? Choose an option. Now simply click on open list. After clicking, we have two options, pulmonary test, chest x-ray. So you will see I'm getting responses. Now go back to our chat flow section. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then follow along on my screen. First of all, we will open our browser and type www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Now we have an interface like this. If you have already logged in before, then we will sign in, otherwise we will sign up. Since I have already logged in before, so I will sign in. After sign in, we have an interface of 7 Pabbly applications. Now simply click on Pabbly Chatflow Access Now button. After that, we will see an interface like this. Now you can create your business account. If you want to know how to create a business account in Pabbly Chatflow with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, you can easily do so by watching the video provided in the link description. Now if you want to know how you can add WhatsApp number, simply click on add WhatsApp number. Now we have two options, WhatsApp Connect Preferred, Manual Token Connect. With the help of WhatsApp Connect Preferred, we can automatically update our access token. Now we have an option Manual Token Connect. Simply click on it and fill the details over here like Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp business account ID, and select the folder and simply click on next. After clicking next, you have successfully added your WhatsApp number like this and simply click on accessing button. Now you can see the navigation on the left side inbox section. In this section we check the WhatsApp responses. Now we have contact field. In this field we add contacts and create contact list like this. Now we have team queue. Team queue is used to show the list of chart assigned to the team member. Now we have template section. In this section we create our template. Just click on add new template and fill the details over here and simply click on submit. Now we have broadcast section. We use broadcast to share information with the large audience. Just click on add broadcast and fill the details over here like username, number, and simply click on add broadcast. Now we have AI assistant. We use AI Assistant in Pabbly Chatflow by integrating AI tools like ChatGPT to understand user message, generate smart replies, and automate dynamic conversation within the chatbot workflow. Now we have an option settings and get help. Now simply click on flows. Now we have a flow builder page. In this we have total flows, active flows, inactive flows. Now we are going to create our new chat flow. So simply click on add flow. Now we have an interface like this. First of all, we will rename our chatbot, that is WhatsApp chatbot for your pulmonologist clinic business. Now we have two options, message and action. With the help of both of them, we are going to create our WhatsApp chat flow. Now we enter regex. For regex, we use the format. These format help us to trigger the chatbot. When user types anything, then our chatbot will be triggered. We can also trigger our chatbot with the help of keywords and template. Now we take text button and write a welcome message on it. In this we also add buttons, book appointment, test instruction. Now simply connect the flow. Now we take list option and simply fill the details. Enter header. In this I write great. Enter body. Which test are you preparing for? Now we enter footer. Choose an option. Now we simply add section. Now I am writing section title name test. Now we simply add items. Now enter title pulmonary test. Now also enter description. Now we add another item button and simply enter title chest x-ray. Now enter description and simply connect this test instruction button to this list box. Now save the flow. Now we take question box. In this box, we ask a name from user. Let's schedule your visit. Please provide your full name. Now select the contact custom field, full name. Also select the format, that is text format, and save the flow. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this contact custom field, simply click on settings and click on contact custom field. I have already created some contact custom field like full name, address, email, demo, time, order, date and time. Now if you also want to create contact custom field, simply click on add more field and type here I am typing XYZ and simply click on save. After clicking save, you will see we are successfully creating contact custom field. Now we have an option field description. Enter a description. This will help you to identify the purpose. Now go back to our chat flow section. Now we simply connect this book appointment button to this question box and also connect these button to this box. When user press book appointment, pulmonary test and chest x-ray button, then we will send over this message. Now we take ask question box. In this box, we ask a age from user. Now select the contact custom field, age, and also select the format, that is text format. Now simply connect this question box to this box. Now we take another question box. In this box, we ask about disease from user and select the contact custom field, disease, and also select the format, that is text format, and simply connect this question box to this box. Now we take another question box. In this box, we ask a date and time from user. Now select the contact custom field, date and time, and also select the format, that is text format. Now simply connect this question box to this box. Now we take text button and write a message on it. Patient details, name, age, disease or concern, date and time. Now in this we also add confirm button. Now simply connect this question box to this message box. Now we take text button and write our last message on it and simply connect this confirm button to this message box and save the flow. If you want to increase your chat flow according to your needs, you can easily do. So we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now it's time to test it. Simply go back to our WhatsApp dashboard and type hello. After typing, you will see I am getting a response. So we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any question, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related issue, you can visit our website which is given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow and start building your own WhatsApp chatbot for free. Thank you.